Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's recipe, I'm going to be sharing with you guys how I made this delicious tilapia fish. This tilapia fish is already washed, scraped, and now I'm drying it out so that it can be well dried before frying. So after that, I'm going to be cutting out some of the fin, okay? Then I will then set it ready to fry. So I'm adding in some salt. So I'm going to be rubbing in the salt into the fish. Then the next thing is to give it a slight cut. This will enable the spices to penetrate inside the fish so that the fish will taste very well. So I'm going to go ahead to do this to all the fish. Then now I'm sprinkling some olive oil, and then I'm going to be adding in the spices. So I'm using some dry spices, mixture of pepper, paprika, and some seasoning. So after doing this, I will cover it, set it aside to marinate for about 30 minutes. You can go ahead to do it for 24 hours, but I want to use this fish immediately. So the next step while it's marinating, this is the vegetable I'm going to use to prepare the sauce for the fish. So here in the frying pan, I'm going to heat up some oil. So I'm going to add enough oil for frying the fish. So guys, at this point, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, kindly subscribe, like, and share this video. Comment to the video and also share to your friends and loved ones. Thank you. So here I'm adding some herbs. This is some spring onions, some onions, and also rosemary. This will enable the oil to infuse all the ingredients into the fish, okay? So now here is the fish. It is ready and ready to be fried. So I'm just adding it into the heated oil. So I will go ahead to spread the herbs around the fish so that it will infuse more into the fish. So I'll leave it to continue frying. Then now it is ready to flip to the other side. So I'm going to flip it over so that the fish will be well fried and cooked. So I'll do the same thing with the other one as well. So you can as well make this fish in the air fryer or in the oven. So I choose to deep fry it because this is the style I want to do this one, to enjoy it fried. So now that it is ready, I'm going to bring it out of the oil. So besties, this is the girlie's kitchen where I prepare homemade dishes for you guys to enjoy. Hope you watch and enjoy this video. So make sure you put a serviette, okay, or kitchen towel in the plate just to help to absorb the oil from the fish. So here's the fish here. So I'm going to set this one aside and add just few couple of onions. This is optional. So I'm going to then add the remaining fish, okay? Then I will keep on frying the fish. So fry, fry, fry. Time to flip the fish again. Time to flip the fish again, then to the other one. So guys, what will you be pairing with this fish? What do you think that will suit this fish well? If you know, kindly drop in the comment section. Guys, do not forget to like, share, comment, subscribe as well to this channel. And thank you for all your support, your love, and thank you for always watching my video. Do not forget to click on the notification button so that you will always be the number one person to see my video each time I post. So now the fish is ready. I'm going to bring it out of the oil and then set it aside. So the next step is going to be preparing the sauce. Okay, like I said earlier, we need some hot pepper sauce to enjoy this fish. So this frying pan, I added some of the oil I used in frying the fish. Then I've already chopped the onions, so I just added some onions here. So I'll let it fry for a couple of minutes. Then I will just keep on stirring it to avoid it getting burnt. Always fry on a low heat. So the next thing is to add in the vegetable. This is the bell peppers I chopped with scotch bonnet pepper as well. So I chopped about 3 scotch bonnet pepper. So if you don't want it that hot, kindly reduce it to 1 bell pepper. I mean 1 scotch bonnet pepper. Then stir, 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 then leave it there to keep cooking. So here I added some garlic, blended garlic. Okay, so that is what you're seeing there. And then I will go ahead and add in some herbs. This is Italian herbs or spices, and some aromat seasoning. Then I will be adding some curry, about 1 teaspoon of curry powder and 1 cube of chicken seasoning. Then stir, stir, stir. Mix it properly so that the whole ingredients will combine very well. So after mixing it, I will leave it there to continue frying because the water in the vegetables needs to dry up. Do not worry, besties. I'm going to be dropping all the ingredients in the description box. Do not forget to check out for it, okay? So now I will add some 1 teaspoon of salt, then stir very well. Now the sauce is ready. I'm going to set it aside. Now it is time to serve. It is time to serve our delicious fried fish. This is tilapia fish. This fish tastes so good, guys. Please do not forget to like, share, and subscribe to this channel. Thank you for watching, and click on the notification button, subscribe as well. So guys, what will you be pairing with this fish? Will you like to use plantain, boiled plantain, or vegetables, or rice, or patata chips, or fried chips? Which one do you think is better? So I'm going to be eating mine like this with a cool chill drink. So besties, thank you so much for watching my channel, and see you in the next one. Bye bye.